Using the help documentation in COR. This tutorial shows you how to use the Contents view, explore plugin-specific guides, and understand the terminology used across the platform. To open the help documentation, navigate to the Help menu, then select Help Contents. The help documentation will open in your default browser. On the far left of the Help menu, you'll find the navigation view labeled Contents. This panel displays a tree structure of topics organized by plugin name or major correct categories. Click the plus icon next to any item to expand it and view detailed subtopics. You'll find a powerful search function that helps you find answers quickly, and walkthroughs for guided step-by-step instructions. An overview section for understanding how help is organized, a lexicon to familiarize yourself with correct specific terms, and a buttons guide explaining icons, controls, and their functions. Each plugin in Correct includes 3 key sections. The Getting Started section is a beginner-friendly introduction to the plugin, its purpose, and initial setup steps. The Workspace sections are an overview of the plugin's workspace layout, including navigation tips and customization options. And the Aspects sections are a detailed breakdown of each view within the plugin. These sections include menu item functions, actions you can perform, field descriptions, and data entry and reporting. These sections are designed to support both new users and those who want to explore advanced functionality. The Correct Help documentation system is a powerful, searchable guide that supports you throughout your workflow. Whether you're setting up a plugin or building a custom report, you'll find answers quickly. Thank you for watching.